Hello everyone, welcome. You're probably here because you want to learn Ableton. Well, guess what? You've come to the right place. What we're going to be learning today is exactly what to do first when we buy this app officially and not torrent it, okay? So you've just opened your Ableton as you saw the loading screen, and we have to break down a few beginning processes before we make some sick beats, okay? So look at my beautiful doll. It doesn't look like this. It's because I've done some things to it, okay? So, this is the first thing you want to do with any program, okay? You want to open the settings. So you want to go to File. Actually, in Windows, it's Options and then Preferences. In Mac, it's you hit Live up here and you hit Preferences, okay? And here is the first place you want to go. Okay, you want to go to Look and Feel, okay? And you want to adjust this percentage to a comfortable amount, okay? So me, I like to be a funny guy and do 69 just for shits and gigs, okay? So after that, we could come over here, and instead of being a lame color, I like to go light, like my soul. White. Oh my god, black cat! So next up, what we want to do is we want to adjust our default project, okay? So what I've done is if I've opened a project from a previous release on a record label, I've stripped it down from the drums and synths, and I've just saved the returns, okay? And now these returns are specifically organized in a specific fashion to make my beats sick, okay? So I have this is my go-to. So I have my reverb that I love, I have my delay that I love, and then I have frequency dividers and, you know, elements of the song dividers that I think will work for my music, okay? So if you're working in post-production, you might put vocals, backgrounds, effects, and all those things through these sends rather than a bass, mid, high, you know, compression, parallel compression, and I have my effects. You know, you can add more effects. Command Option T. You can learn more tips and tricks if you keep watching these videos with us. Okay, so we've got all our things set up here. We've got a nice color. We've got I don't put anything on my master chain, but you can if you want. You can put things up, and then you can go over here, preferences, and then you can save, okay? You can save your default file, and now every time, oh, don't forget to set your BPM. I love working in 100 BPM, low tempo bangers, okay? And now if we close this, we go ahead and quit it and reopen it, we'll be able to work properly in our DAW, okay? Oh god. And that is some of the beginning tips and tricks to getting started with Ableton. You just want to make sure you're comfortable in your DAW. That was a little setup video. I'm going to give you one last little trick. So the next little trick is the groove pool. You click this button down here and you can import your grooves, okay? You go over here, we show the grooves, and we can select our grooves. We can go ahead and listen to the different ones, okay? So you can go ahead and do that and save your file, and it'll be great. The next thing we'll get into is this right here. We want to fill our files with files that will be easily accessible so we can get to work faster and more efficiently. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. That's how you get your Ableton set up properly. Alright? Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.